Indices have shown a little recovery yesterday. Specifically, DAX has now recovered towards 17,000 levels, the critical resistance zone, while US100 and US30 has also shown a little bit of rise. So, what to expect today from DAX, UK 100, Nasdaq, and Dow Jones? We will see with the help of charts and indicators precisely in the same sequence. First, Germany, followed with UK, and then India and US indices. Watch till I'll be sharing the trading levels and strategy in order to profit. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest. The next update will be released before the US session, what that is. And do like, share, and comment. Your every action motivates me to deliver to the best of my abilities. Let's start first. We look into Germany. On the hourly charts, critical resistance available for DAX at 17,000, 17,020 zone. If you see DAX trading above 17,020, then only we should recommend a buy. See, it has shown little recovery. It is still giving lower highs, lower lows. We have to watch out. On the downside, the support, critical support at 16,960, 16,940 is very, very strong. Thus, if you see it trading below 16,940, you can sell and wait for it to break below 16,900, which is going to be the key support level for the stochastic here rising. MACD is trying to converge crossover for sell. RSI is flat near to top. Similar observation on the 2, 3 and 4 hour charts here. On the 4 hour charts, one observation you can see lower highs are seen, and thus it is trying to trade with a little bearish bias. So we have to wait for it to break below 16,940 zone in order to confirm the drop here, below which 16,900. See, remember 16,900 is going to be the critical level for the day, below which it should be treated bearish. Stochastic overbought here. MACD is traded with little divergence. Coming to daily, likewise on the daily chart, see lower highs are seen. We have to now wait for it to break beyond 17,020. Now 17,020 once taken, we can look forward to higher highs towards 1750, 17,050, and if 17,050 is taken, consider that as a reversal, and DAX is going to give a stronger rally towards 17,100 plus levels. Stochastic rising. MACD is trading with little bearish bias and RSI flat. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy here at 17,020 levels and sell at 16,940 levels. In between these 80 points, do not trade DAX. On the downside, be careful of 16,900, and on the upside, be careful of 17,050. For this 150 points of zone, we have to be watchful, alert for trading below 16,900. The next target is towards 16,840, and on the upside, beyond 17,050, first resistance at 16,120, and after that, sky is the limit. Take your trades accordingly. Let's have a look at FTSE 100. UK 100 after this drop has shown a V-shaped recovery. It has come to the resistance at 7590, and since then it is just consolidating, yielding lower highs, higher lows, and thus it needs to either break below. See, even if it breaks below 7560, you can though sell here, but then see moving averages crossing over here, signs of bullishness, and the critical support at 7540, 7530. These two levels are taken to be taken on the downside in order to confirm the drop. Remember, as long as 7535, 7540 levels are respected, we should not be trading UK 100 as bearish, below which definitely we can look forward to a move towards 7520 and 7500. 7500 is the critical milestone below 7535. And right now, see, it is formed a good support system at 7560, and it is trying to rise. Now we all know that 7580 and 7600 is a critical resistance for the FTSE 100 to break past by. Thus, if you see it trading above 7590, we can initiate a buying position. Stochastic rising. MACD is almost on the verge of a crossover for sell. RSI is flat. Similar observations on the 2-hour charts. Consolidation going on right now. It is willing to give a breakout. Let's see if it does. And on the 4-hour charts, if you look at, see, couple of bearish candles, retracement. See, retracement candles are very small in a size here, suggests that the bullishness has certainly diminished. Coming to the day, on the daily chart, see moving averages on the verge of a crossover. This is a bearish cross. Also, we have seen a reversal, and since then lower highs are delivered. Thus, as long as 7600 is not taken, we should not be treating DAX as bullish. Though you can buy here at 7580, but then 7590, 7600, you have to watch out with extreme caution, because only and only if it trades beyond 7600, we can expect a further rise towards 7620, 7650 levels, chances for which appears to be less. But yes, see, if you look at the movement here, lower highs here, and if it gives a breakout here, certainly that should be a reversal sign. Stochastic rising. MACD is on the verge, it is still bearish, and RSI is rising as well. Looking at this, I will recommend you to sell at 7560, but with the caution note that you have to watch out. As long as 7640, 7635 is not taken, we cannot treat DAX FTSE 100 as bearish. It only below 7 635 7640, 7535 7540, you can treat this as bearish here. On the upside, I will recommend you to buy here at 7580 levels. Beyond 7580, if you're buying, be careful. As long as 7600 is not taken, do not treat this as bullish. So in sum, do not trade between 7560 to 7580 zone. Take your trades accordingly. Let's have a look at Nasdaq 100. See, Tech 100 on the early charts trading in this bullish channel. Highs of the channel somewhere here at around 17850, 17880 zone. Greater resistance exists here. And right now, if you look at the rise here, consolidation, and it is looking upwards. We have to wait for it to break now beyond 17830. Beyond that, you can look forward to see 17850 first and 17880 next. Yes, if it breaks beyond this, you can consider this as a reversal, and then the Nasdaq 100 will continue to rise. Moving averages on the verge of a crossover, signs of bullishness, which also makes 17750 as a very good support zone. Stochastic overbought, MACD is in green, trying to converge, RSI rising. On the 2-hour charts also similar is the observation. Remember, after the retracement, it is continuing its upward journey, but it has to break beyond 17900 920 zone in order to confirm the reversal. Stochastic overbought, MACD is bullish, RSI is rising. Coming to 3-hour chart, similar observation. Remember, the preceding candle has formed a tail and this is continuing on the upside. This is signs of bullishness. It can. MACD is also showing signs of recovery on the 3-hour charts. RSI is rising as well. Coming to 4-hour charts, similar observation, higher lows are seen. And see, if you look at more close, you will find that this bullish candle, and if it breaks beyond 17830, we can look forward to a further rise, which can take the prices towards 17860, 880 zone, greater resistance. And beyond that is where the bulls will take over completely. We have to be cautious around this zone, that is 880 900. Very, very strong resistance will be seen there, because see, the drop is sharper, this is retracement, and from here it will try to look downwards. Stochastic overbought, MACD has just crossed over, trading with divergence. Certainly it can try to trade bullish. RSI is rising as well. Coming to daily chart, on the daily charts, it is trying to break here and trying to continue. It has taken a support from the 20 period moving average. That is certainly signs of a recovery, signs of bullish. But again, as I said, yes, you can buy at 17830, but be cautious. As long as 17880 900 levels are not taken, we should not be treating Nasdaq 100 for a bullish reversal. Yes, it is only above 880 900 zone. We can expect that now Tech 100 will continue to trade bullish, and we can look forward to 17960 and 18,000 levels. Take your trades accordingly. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my 28th mentorship batch commencing, 29th mentorship batch commencing in a couple of weeks. Register yourself now. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, if you want to join the Signal channel on Telegram, you can also ping me for more queries on my Telegram channel or any of your queries related to my mentorship batch. Do join the free Telegram channel as well for live market updates. Now let's have a look at Dow. See, likewise, what we have seen on other indices, US30 is also looking on the upside. It is trying to move towards 38,500 levels. Possibility of a little rise exists. Just if you see it trading above 38,450 levels, we can initiate a buying entry. We can expect it to move towards 38,500. So 38,400 is going to be, so 450 is going to be one resistance which it needs to break. The stochastic overbought, MACD is in green, RSI rising. On the 2-hour chart, similar observation here. First greener candle, second greener candle, it is aspiring to achieve 38,500 levels here. And in fact, it can rise a little more from those levels. Stochastic is overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI is rising. And on the 3-hour charts, similar observation is seen. See, preceding two candles comes with a tail. This candle is trying to look upwards. Wait for it to break beyond 38,450. See, 20 period moving average here is a good resistance, and then the 50 period. So this complete zone between 38,450 and 500 is going to be a tough nut for Dow Jones to crack. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI is rising. And similar observation on the 4-hour charts. Coming to the daily charts now. On the daily charts, you can look at, see, US30 has got its support from the 20 period moving average, now trying to reverse. We have to wait for it to break first the yesterday's high around 38,430, 38,450 zone. If it stays above 38,450, we can look forward to 38,500. Remember, this complete zone of just 50 points is going to play a critical role in the next moves for US30. Stochastic has dropped, MACD is divergent and bearish. So even if it, as long as 38,500 is not taken, we should not be trading The US30 is bullish. See, it is divergent and bearish looking downwards. RSI is flat. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy at 38,450 levels and sell at 38,350 levels. Below 38,350 is where we can look forward to the next drop towards 38,240 and 200. 38,200, very, very good support. What we have seen yesterday. Only and only if US30 trades below 38,200, we should treat this as bearish.